is when I say Jamaica to the world. Let's watch Jamaican festival in Japan. And according to them, it's the first Jamaican festival in Japan. Let's cruise it together, guys. Let's enjoy it together. Hey!
Beautiful representation of Jamaica land we love. I know you need no introduction, but ladies, can you just tell us a little bit about yourselves, what you're doing here, what's going on?
15 day,
Yes.
first SEA to
Yes.
Japan,
Yes.
and the first in history in Japan,
Wow.
courtesy of our own ambassador.
Hey.
Konnichiwa, konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Jamaican nation desu.
One more time.